The last two speakers are Carolyn and Roseanne.
Good morning again. I'm sorry I went over a minute ago. It's very nerve-wracking to be here to talk about this. So just to reiterate and expand a bit, I just want you to be aware of some dates. There's long-standing harassment and impediment by Newport Beach Police with regards to protecting my children and I, and it goes back to 2014 when I had to get a warrant to take physical custody to go to another state to find my children. I had to do that by myself because Newport Beach Police refused to help me. Okay, and then it continued when I filed for an IEP in the Newport Mesa Unified School District. The Newport Mesa Unified School District used the police department to come to my house and threaten me when I pulled them out and I put them in private Christian school. They demanded if I didn't put them back in the public school district at Anderson Elementary, they were going to send CPS to remove my children from me. I had sole legal and physical custody. So that's just some of the early on stuff that I've dealt with, which makes me shake because it's been absolutely terrifying. And when I mentioned Tara Schillinger and the Women's Coalition article where they said that she had suffered judicial torture and I don't want to be another Tara Schillinger, I have experienced judicial torture between Orange County Family Court and the OCDA and Newport Beach Police. What I don't want to happen is what happened to her. She is no longer alive on this planet. I'm very concerned for my children's safety and my safety because of the involvement, overlap, and overreach by OCDA, Newport Beach Police, and their interjection into family court, which we all know is a very serious problem right now. I also want to let you know that just recently I was hauled into DCSS court because they wanted to make an order against me for paying child support, even though I'm about to become homeless because I have suffered for so long without any child support. Obviously, $79,000 is a lot of money. It's not like $5,000 or $10,000. In addition to that, when it came up in court that I was on cash aid, my ex-husband and or his attorney or somebody made a false benefit fraud claim against me, and then I had a DA investigator show up at my door and try my door handle. It was caught on my Ring camera. And then they didn't really want to know what I had already provided to Orange County Social Services, which approved me for cash aid. They wanted to know about my Irvine Company confidential settlement agreement because we suffered medical injuries. So I'm telling you this today is because we have a really serious problem with our DA's office failing to protect moms and children's physical safety, failing to enforce restraining order violations, blocking them from filing restraining order violations, and then retaliating when I emailed Jim Basin asking for help because of a few select employees. So I appreciate you listening. I know I'm over. I have more to say, but it's all I can do to get this out. I just need help. My children and I need help immediately, and I fear for our safety.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next speaker, please.
Good morning, Chairman and Supervisors. My name is Carolyn. I live in Santa Ana,